Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border color to image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add border color to an image. Go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section. Then select the Place tool. And choose picture from our file and insert a picture. Then place this picture. Now we want to add color border. Select this stroke option and we can change or select any color. Now select the color, then click the white option and increase the white. Now we can see we add color border very easily. You can change the color. Select this picture and again go back the stroke color option and change the color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.